Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I have got my Traxxas Max out with me. So I just recently unboxed this. This is actually the very first time I'm actually using the Traxxas Max. I'm out here at my top speed location where I basically do all of my top speed runs, and normally for the very first run of an RC I wouldn't normally go and do speed passes, but it's a really nice day, so I thought why not go ahead. I had my GPS charged up, so why not go ahead, bring the Traxxas Max out here and see how close we can get to those claim top speeds. On 3S it says on the box it's supposed to go 40 miles per hour plus, and then on 4S Lipo it's supposed to go 55 miles per hour plus. So that's what we have right here, guys. We have an HRB 4000 milliamp 60C discharge rate 3-cell pack that we're going to be running first. We're going to see how close or if we can exceed that 40 mile per hour claim speed, and then we're going to throw in this 4S pack, a 6500 milliamp 14.8 volt 100C discharge rate 4-cell Lipo, and we're going to see if we can get that claim 55 miles per hour. So let me go ahead and get the 3S put in. I need to find a place to go ahead and mount this GPS, and then we're going to make some passes. Alrighty guys, I went ahead and I got that 4000 milliamp HRB 3-cell put in, and I was looking for a place to mount the GPS. There just isn't a really good place. I can't really mount it to the shock towers because the body has to slip underneath of this and it has to clamp around this part. And I thought about strapping around the battery hold down or like around here, but in the end I just decided to go ahead and mount it on the very back on the wheelie bar, which I don't know if that's a great idea. Hopefully it doesn't go anywhere. It's set to record the maximum speed in miles per hour. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go ahead, get her turned on, throw the body on, and then we're going to go make some passes. Will we hit that claim 40 miles per hour? We will see. Now this is the very first time turning on this RC, and let's see, here's the easy set button right here. Alright, I guess it doesn't beep to tell you how many cells it's running. Green light's on, so that means LiPo protection's on. Alright, it's time to go ahead and make a pass on 3S. I just want to make sure the steering trim and everything's straight before I go and do this speed pass. Looking pretty much spot on. Let me make sure nobody's coming. Alright, not seeing anybody. So I'm going to attempt to try to do this without doing much wheeling because I don't want that GPS to come off. All right, and we're gonna spin it around right there, guys, and here we go for our very first pass. Okay, I'm pinned. All right, and you can see the TSM doing its thing, trying to keep that thing going straight. I'm actually gonna turn the TSM down, or actually almost off. And we'll go ahead and do a pass back in this direction. Here we go. Pin. And I just realized there's a car coming. You know what, guys? I'm pretty sure we got a top speed. I think that's going to be good enough. I'm pretty sure that very first pass we went down that way. It probably picked up a good top speed. So let's just go ahead, pop it off right now, and see what it came up with. All right, guys, what do you know? That is spot on to what Traxxas said. Can you see that? I need to take this little piece off, that little protective piece. All right, guys, 40.3 miles per hour. So Traxxas claimed 40 plus. It just did 40.3. Let's go ahead before it gets too hot, and we're gonna throw the 4S pack in and see if it can do that claim 55 miles per hour. Super excited to see. All right, guys, it's time to go ahead and throw in the 4S Lipo, and I checked before I left to make sure this 4S pack will fit. It will barely fit. I do have to take off this plastic piece right here. I gotta just take this off. There we go. Got that off. Go ahead, set that there. And like I said, guys, this is a very tight squeeze, but it does fit. So get it pushed down in there. And it is a little bit different how this one, actually I should probably put it this way, so the wire's sticking out that side. It is kind of interesting how it opens kind of the opposite of what the X Max. So it pops open from this direction, then you just pop it in. And there, she is snug. Now let me go ahead, plug her in which I think I can do while I'm holding the camera, maybe. Yes. So let's go ahead and power on the RC. All right, guys, let's go ahead, throw the body on. Oh, and I need to throw the GPS back on the back. Alrighty, guys, I've got the 4S pack installed. We got her turned on, got the GPS mounted on the back. So let's go ahead and make a few passes. I'm just gonna put the TSM at about maybe a quarter, if even. Let's see, I can already see there's some cars coming, so we're gonna have to wait on them, then we can go ahead and make our passes. All right, guys, here we go for our pass. Gonna take her in that direction. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna try not to wheelie just because I don't want that GPS falling off. The steering trim might be off slightly, and I already see a car coming, so let's go ahead. Let's bring it by for a pass from that direction. Here we go, guys, rolling onto the throttle. I'm pinned. Wow, straight as an arrow though. Very impressive. And here comes that car. Once it goes past, then we're gonna make another pass back in this direction, and we're gonna go that way. All right, guys, here we go. Rolling onto the throttle. Okay, I'm pinned. Nearly lost control of it because those tires really started to saucer. How about one more back in this direction, guys? Here we go. Rolling onto the throttle. All right, guys, that's as straight as an arrow. And let's go ahead, let's bring it in and see if we got that claim 55 miles per hour. Yeah, I don't have to give it much throttle, and it will definitely lift up the tires. All right, guys, take it off to the side and let's see what it picked up. What do you guys think? I mean, it got the claim 40, so you never know. Maybe it'll get the claim 55. And wow, guys, that is very surprising. That is spot on. It came up with 55.4 miles per hour. That is pretty darn impressive. 55.4, so it went to claim 55. So anyway, guys, the next video you're gonna see with this thing, you're gonna see me really trying to get a feel for it. I'm gonna probably bash it a little bit, just try to get a feel for it, probably on 3S and 4S. But if you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. And also make sure to hit that notification bell so then you'll be notified when I do come out with new videos, which I do on a very regular basis. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Later.